Good morning, everyone. We have learned in previous classes about the measurement like length, weight, and volume, and chart of the measurement, unit of the measurement we have learned in previous classes. So, students, today we are going to do exercise 8.1. Let us we start, students, from question 1. Question 1 is Question 1, fill in the blanks. Metric measures are measured in units of dash etc. If we 10, 100 and 1000, these are the metric measurement. 10, 100 and 1000. Second is metric system is based on decimal system. Metric system is based on decimal system. C part. To change from smaller unit to bigger unit. If we change smaller unit to bigger unit, then what we will do? We will divide of the unit. If 8 centimeter, if we will change it in meter, so what we will do? We will do 8 divided by 100. Answer will come in 0.008. Now next is to change bigger unit to smaller unit. If we will change 8 meter into centimeter, 8 multiplied by 100 equal to 800 centimeter. Then we will multiply. Next, the standard measures of length is gram. Length is measured in meter. Now next, standard measures of weight is kilogram. Standard measure of capacity is liter. Question 2 is Question 2. Convert the following 28 millimeter into centimeter. 28 mm into centimeter. If we change into centimeter of mm, then we will multiply by, because how many centimeter in how many millimeter in 1 centimeter? 1 millimeter equal to 10 centimeter. Sorry, 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. 10 millimeter. 28 mm is given. So, we will divide 28 mm divided by 10 equal to 2.8 centimeter. It means 2 meter, 2 centimeter and 8 mm. This is the answer. Part 2. Part B of question 2, 78 centimeter into millimeter. Sorry, meter. 78 centimeter into meter. Because meter is bigger unit, I have told you if we will change any unit into bigger unit, so what we will do? We will divide. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. 78 centimeter equal to 78 divided by 100. So 0.78 meter is answer. Next is 1235 meter into kilometer. Because meter is smaller unit of kilometer, 1235 meter. 35 meter into kilometer. Now meter is given, so 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer, and 1235 meter equal to 1235 divided by 1000. So 1 meter, 1 kilometer and 235 meter. Because there are, if we divide any number by 1000, so these last 3 digits will come in meter, and leftover digit is in kilometer. 1 kilometer 235 meter. Now 7 meter 30 centimeter into meter. Now there is 7 meter 30 centimeter. We will change meter into meter. Only we will change this centimeter. 30 divided by how many centimeter in 1 meter? 100. So we will divide 30 divided by 100. 0.30. If we add 7 mm or 30, answer is 0.30 meter. Now it will come in meter. 7 meter and 30 centimeter. It will be same. Next is 29 centimeter, 7 millimeter into centimeter. How to change it? Part D is there is question 29 E part, 29 centimeter and 7 millimeter into centimeter. Into centimeter, because there is in mm, there is centimeter. Mm is smallest unit of centimeter. First we will, if we will change bigger unit into smaller unit. We will always divide of the 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm equal to 1 centimeter, and 7 mm equal to 7 divided by 10 equal to 0.7 centimeter. If we will change 0.7 into centimeter, because 29 centimeter plus 0.7 centimeter. 0.7 centimeter, answer is 29.7 centimeter. This is the answer. Now part F. 10 kilometer 250 meter into kilometer. First we will change it in kilometer. Answer is, if we divide 250 meter divided by 1000, because it is smaller unit, if we want to change into bigger unit. If we change smaller unit into bigger unit, we divide. So 0.250 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 10.250 kilometer is the answer. We add this and this. Now part H. First we will do part G. Part G is 75 gram 250 mg. It is also same. Now you will do practice of this question yourself. Question we will revise question 3. Raj drank 2 liters of milk. How much milliliter of milk did Raj drink? 2 liters. Raj drank milk. Milk is equal to 2 liters. He drank milk into milliliter. First we will know about the how many milliliter in 1 liter. 1 liter equal to 2000 milliliter. 2 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. 2 into 1000 equal to 2000 milliliter. Raj drinks the milk. Question 4. Question 4 is Parveen purchased 10 kg 250 gram of mangoes. How many kgs of mangoes did Parveen purchase? 10 kg 250 gram. Change into kilogram. Kilogram, if we divide, because 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. 250 divided by 1000 equal to 0.250 gram. There is 10 kg. 10 plus 10 kg plus 0.250 kg. Answer is 0.250 kg. Now question 5. Question 5 is a piece of cloth measures 1 meter. Express the measures in mm. 1 meter. First we will change 1 meter into mm. How many mm? 1 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. And 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. 100 centimeter equal to 10 multiplied by 100. So 1000 mm of 1 meter. So students, I hope you have understood of this exercise and do practice properly at home. Thank you and have a nice day.